Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q2 of the weekly contest 283, append K integers with minimal sum. So there are a couple of ways you can do this one. The way that I did it, and you can watch me solve it live next during the virtual contest. The way that I thought about this one was just as a sweep line, getting in the gaps and so forth. And I'll show it here. I made a lot of mistakes on this one. As you can kind of see from here, I'm not proud of it. It took 18 minutes and 3 penalties, so that was a mess for me this farm. But basically, I just look at adjacent numbers, starting from 0. So positive numbers before that or after, yeah. And then you look at, and this is very step by step, right? And this is just the delta, meaning that's the number of spaces in between, and of course, K of which we're using. We add the answer, the number, the sum between, so this function for me anyway, is the sum of numbers between S and Y inclusive, meaning S and Y being the start and beginning. And of course, you can, one way you can think about it is that, you have, for example, x sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 plus dot 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 x sub, I don't know, K, right? And let's say, yeah, and let's say Y is equal to x sub K and S is equal to x sub I, right? So then you have these two formulas, say, right? And then maybe something like this, right? So you have these two formulas, and then of course the sum of numbers between S and Y is just this number, right? So that means that if you subtract x minus 1, so that means that if you subtract this portion, you get this portion. That's basically the math, the very simple visualization of the math that I do here. And of course, you can do this by, Y times Y plus 1 over 2 is the sum of the first Y numbers or something like that, right? So that's basically the idea behind this formula. And then after that, it's just about making sure you consider all the cases, which I did not do. And yeah, you answer, you add to the answer the gap between here. You subtract, if it's 0, then you break. Otherwise, if there's some left over, that means that you get over the biggest number, then you do this again. Though I guess in theory, I could have also have done something like similar to the 0. I could have just done, something like this, and then that would be okay too. I think should be okay. And yeah, and that's basically the idea. And this is going to be linear time because we just look at each two elements once, and this formula is all 1, right? So yeah. And in terms of space, well, the way that I did it with a zip, it's going to be linear space. But actually, no, I'm a little bit wrong here about the linear time. I only looked at this one, but I forgot about the sorting. So if you add the sorting, then it's going to be n log n, obviously. I forget that if this is, yeah, this is not sorted. So you have to sort it, and in fact it's not sorted in this example. So yeah, n log n for the sorting, and otherwise it is all of one space for the most part, or you can make it all of one very easily. Yeah, let me know what you think about this particular yeah, and this is just where you're thinking about all the cases, like for example, if you have duplicate numbers, how to handle it. If you have adjacent numbers, how do you handle it? I handle it by here, but I didn't think about it during the thing. There is another way that one of our channel buddies did for this one. Watch his YouTube channel. We'll put a link somewhere, or we'll ping him to put a link somewhere in the comments. But basically, this is binary search, and basically the binary search is that you just try to figure out how many numbers to use, right? And let's say you use K numbers, then that means, K is a bad number, but let's say you use N numbers, then that means that there are, let's say for example here, you binary search, and if you get 8, then you can just take the sum of all the first 8 numbers minus the sum of the numbers that are already in it, because then you know that by math, that there are 2 numbers inside nums that is bigger than, that's smaller than 8, and then the rest will be 6 numbers, right? So that's basically the binary search recursion. I know that I'm kind of hand wavy over this a little bit, but But definitely with that in mind, take a look in the solution and check his channel out. May have a better solution. Cool. That's all I have with this one. Let me know what you think. And you could watch me sub live during the virtual contest. And I stumbled a lot, so you'll see all the mistakes that I made. One thing I would say about the mistakes is that I actually just underestimated this one. I saw that this was Q2 in Leetcode, and recently they've been very easy. So I just kind of guessed at a easy solution. I wouldn't say guess, but I really kind of was on autopilot a little bit too much. I didn't see this constraint. If I had seen this constraint, then I would have written it like this and saved myself a lot of heartache. But some of it is that I just got off the plane and back to New York, so I'm a little bit tired. So that's my excuse. I'm sticking to it. Hopefully next week I do a little bit better. But yeah, that's all I have with this one. You could watch me sub live and get the contest next. Hopefully that's right. Append K integers with minimal sum. So this K can be really big though, so that's the thing, right? So this is just sweep line. Unique positive integers. Sweep line, binary search. Oh, so you just up with the two numbers that are not in it. Okay. You can also I mean, this isn't that bad. It's just I'm trying to think about how to do it in a not annoying way. I mean, 10 to the 5th. Are these all unique? I guess this is not technically unique, but I guess it doesn't really matter. But this map is a little bit annoying, but doable. Do I have to mod anything? I guess not. 10 to the 5th should be okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Obviously this time's out, so we just have to add in okay. Yeah, I mean, cannot be equal to max anyway because max isn't seen. This math is annoying, and there's no example of this. Okay, so that means that we want current to current plus k, is it? Is that true? So if k is 0, then no, then this is, if k is 0, then, so yeah, so this is current from k as 1. Okay, maybe I do another k is greater than 0 just in case. Okay, so then now I always forget which one it is. I said it in the daily one too. Also, I kind of need to use the bathroom, so maybe that's a bad idea. Maybe it's off by 1. I'm really bad at this. Okay, well, this is just wrong for this one. Why is it 2? Oh. I guess I just have to increment. 17. Oh, this actually does test this, so maybe I'm off by 1. Finish in 10 minutes, Josh. That's impressive. Okay. So this adds to 7. Maybe I should do this first then. And I don't need this. Just so the okay, so you have 8 and you need 1. That makes sense. So I just did I not forget to add? Well, I guess this form is wrong. Because if k is 0, then no, if k is 1, then oops, locked my screen by accident. Okay, if k is 1, then this is 0. Obviously, I messed this up. This should be yeah, okay. Because you should subtract this prefix thing. Okay. Is this? Am I confident about this? Is this? Why don't we have to mod though? Is it 10 to the 8? Is this right? I don't even know if this is right. Am I YOLOing? I think I should work this out, but I'm a little bit lazy. So okay, I mean we could do this in a better way. Anyway, that's not a great example of a. I mean that's good for overflows, but I mean I guess that's not overflowing because that's just n square. At least in Python, but it's a little bit awkward. So adding 1 is 1, 2. Okay, that's 2 and 3, so that's 5. Okay, so I think this is okay. Maybe I still have a print statement somewhere. Okay, there we go. Let's give it a submit. Very slow on this one though. It might not even be right. Oh, am I going to get time limited because of this? Or okay. This is like so silly, right? Because you never know how much. Because oh, maybe that's wrong. No, that's my bad. I wish I've done a sweep line because of this line. I actually for some reason I associated upper bound with this, but yeah, that's actually my bad and not the. I mean, there's. Ooh, I locked my screen again. This keyboard, I'm not used to it. Wow. Right, I don't even need this case. I'm very sloppy today. Okay, so that should time out, but I mean, this isn't that. I should have done a sweep line, but I was a little bit lazy about this one. Okay, fine. I mean, I said it before. Okay, how do I want to do this? Okay, is number sorted? No, but that's fine. We could sort. Okay, fine. Silly Larry. But at least I know. Okay, how? Silly Larry. Maybe I should have took a nap first. Okay. Then it's just this, but So inclusive, exclusive. Okay, fine. What's it? What's the last number? I also messed this up. I'm so sloppy today. It's from num sub 1 to num sub 1 plus k. Okay. And then here, then it is just delta. Is this off by 1? Maybe it's off by 1 actually, because that's how many empty slots there are. So then now you're counting from x to x plus delta. Okay, something like this, I guess. Okay, well, I don't know how I get negative numbers, but did I mess that up? Oh, okay, fine. Whoops. Okay, was this right? I don't even remember. No, this is wrong. This should be 2, so I'm off by 1 on here, right? Because you don't count this one. Yeah, because the last number obviously, I mean, that's, I'm gonna get a different wrong answer, but that's at least should be okay. Okay, so what is this one? 2. So we're counting from, what is it, 2 to 3? 2 to 3. Oh, this is this. Okay, I think I did the same off by 1 math that I had last time. Okay, this looks a little bit better. So let's give it a, it says you went fast. Okay, it's fast, so let's give it a submit. Oh no, I got the example case wrong. Larry. It just looks so right. Oh man, I did both the example. I was focused on here, that I didn't focus on here, which just means that my middle function is off by 1 somewhere. Plus delta. Oh, it's x plus 1 again. I did the same mistake again. Yeah. Wait, did I? Oh my. Okay, slow down, Larry. I'm trying to rush it a little bit, and that is clearly an issue because we don't want this to be the thing. Okay, x plus delta plus 1 maybe. I don't think that's right either though. Right? Yeah, that's clearly wrong. Okay, slow down, Larry. You're rushing it too much. Okay. So the function that's definitely wrong is here. So let's see. Okay, slow down. This is the number of gaps that's inside. Is that true? Let's say we have 5 and 2. That's, yeah, 3 and 4. Okay. Is this true? Yeah, this is probably true. I think this is okay. So then it's just this, right? So 5 and 2, 3 plus the delta is 2. Okay, this is just minus 1. Okay, fine. But now I'm just very wrong on stuff, right? Do I mess this up? The n minus this because it's inclusive bound of s and e. Feels right. What am I doing? Oh man, wow, this is cute too. I'm messing up on cute today. Math is hard. Okay, so this is clearly wrong. So that's, I messed up my, oh, because I have to add 1 then minus 1. That's why. Okay. Okay, so then this is right, but now this is wrong because, tell me why. Okay. What is this? What is this printing? Why is this 6 to 5? is oh, because what? Huh? How is delta negative? Did I mess that up? No, it's not. So k is 0. That's fine. Then why does it put in k and 5? Oh. Because if delta is 0, then this is just silly. Okay. Okay. Huh. I thought here. Oh, okay. Wait, what? Oh, they're consecutive numbers. Okay, fine. Wow. Okay. So at least I got, but I'm still wrong. Oh, man. Then that's, I think that part is on here though. Yikes. Guess this is one of those contests I'm glad I didn't do. Okay. Let's see, why am I getting this wrong? 5 and 6. Okay, yep, that's true. 6 is, k left is 6. That's not right. Oh, I don't start from 1. That's why. Okay. Oh, man. Okay. What a yikes. Sweep line that doesn't sweep. Is this good? Alright, come on. 525. Okay, at least we got the example cases right, and we got the extended example cases right. But this one I think is wrong. Isn't this a different answer from this one? So at least we can spot that. Why is that wrong? Tell me why. Okay, so at least we save ourselves one wrong answer, but that's still a little bit sad. Okay, so this is the thing. We use Oh, I am actually, no, this is right. This is 10 to the 8, not 10 to the 9. This is 10 to the 9. So this is right. Okay. So I had it wrong before, actually. I misread it, that's all. Or I mistyped it. Maybe I misread it. I don't know. One of the two. Okay. Yeah, okay. Wait, what? Yeah, okay. Maybe that's right. Yikes, right? Okay, let's just give it submit and hopefully this is more right. Oh, no. Huh. Wow, what am I? This is a mess for me. So it's 794, but is it because we have dupe numbers and I forgot to dedupe? Well, I didn't forget, but I thought that that's not relevant. But because delta now is negative. Oh, jeez. Oh, how do I keep on hitting the screen lock button? Okay, let's see. Okay. Yikes. Hey everybody, yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this forum, this contest, whatever you like to do, come to Discord. Stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.